we're going to look at how to use a mask or a mask in Illustrator. This is a good way to kind of cover up things that you want to protect and hide the things that you don't want. So there's different reasons why you would do this. I'm just going to try to throw a few things together just so you can see what the effect is when you want to kind of cover something up. So using a mask is a way to again, cover up what you want to keep and kind of hide what you don't without destroying a graphic. So there are different ways that you can use this. I'm just going to use it with some letters here, my initials, and then maybe I will use some quick shapes just to give you some reference here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is create a mask on this. So I'm going to essentially cover up what I want to keep, and then it will only reveal what I cover up, essentially. So maybe on the KRB I will just kind of have some fun with this and cover up. Yeah, that'll work. We'll see what happens. Maybe I want to just kind of hide some of the letters just to create a different effect. So in order for this to work, you have to kind of work in sequence, or make sure that whatever you are covering up is on top of the other. So if I look real quick, my initials are down here, so it's the bottom graphic, and then the rectangle's on top. So what I'll do is I'll take, just to make sure that's on top, right, you can hit Command Shift right bracket, and that will make sure that the shape or the object they're using to mask is on top. After that, you need to use your selection tool or the letter V to use that tool. Click and drag over both items that you want to impact, and we are going to go to Object, Clipping Mask, and then Make. So what you'll see happen is that it masks out the things that I covered up. I can select that again. In your properties, now that you've masked, it should say you can release the mask. And again, this is like a non-destructive way to work. So I didn't erase anything, I didn't delete anything. It's a good way to work non-destructively while still getting some of the same effects that you want. So again, just creating a quick mask here. I'll show you again. It doesn't really matter what the color is of the top item, as long as it's on top. It doesn't have to be black or white or whatever. Select both Object, Clipping Mask. You can see that this is Command 7 is the shortcut. I would assume that would be Control 7 on a PC. I'm not 100% sure, but we can go to Object, Clipping Mask. No, just the same. So we can hit Make, and again, that's what's revealed. If you don't like it, you can release it. Maybe I will step back here. Maybe make this a little bit bigger. Let's give off a different look. Do the same thing. Object, Clipping Mask, Make. Boom. Kind of a cool effect. And then maybe we'll do the same thing. We'll use a square. So maybe I want these dots in here, but I want to kind of clip it to fit inside of the shape here. So the shape's on top, the square. Use the selection tool, click and drag over the top. Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And there you have it. One nice thing after it's adjusted, since we are in Illustrator, we can scale pretty much forever without losing quality. So I can make this a lot bigger if I wanted to, and you can still see it makes that mask, it retains that mask, none the same, so just the same. So there we have it, just a quick rundown of the clipping mask and how to use it and how to work non-destructively to kind of cover something up that you want to keep. So again, a mask is a way to kind of protect right? Whatever you're covering. So that it kind of makes sense on how it works. And there's a, again, quick rundown. Hope that helps.